Mohotel avonturen.
We are definitely happy campers today. Yeah, I've been busy. So a little bit of an update on the fridge, a little couple of cleaning tips. I've been super busy. The roof, skylights, the lot, and we're happy. The CoolPower 35 is in position. We had to change around the lid, which was a simple enough job. So we've got it on our telescopic tray down below, and then the lid opens up just like that. Strap at the back, little strap at the front, securing it in position. That is not going anywhere. Look at that. So I've been getting to grips with the fridge the last couple of days, having a little look, having a little play, got the app downloaded, and it is so simple to use. I am really, really happy with the fridge. So the dual zone fridge means you can totally keep the compartments at different temperatures if you want to. So if you want to drop them right down to -20, you can. It is really, really neat. We are really excited about this one, and also the fact is, with that like lithium battery in there, it's just going to give us that little bit of extra flexibility for when you get on the ferry and the engine's off. So obviously I haven't got any power going to it, so you can flick it onto the lithium side of things then and keep it ticking over. So that is going to be just like a really good result there. So we're happy with that. Previously we used to use the power bank on the other fridge. That was always a great idea. It's not a problem, but like I say, we're just going to give this one a full Monty road test on this trip we've got coming up. We will actually be, a week's time, we'll actually be on the boat, which is really exciting, really exciting news for us. So all of a sudden these trips just rattle around, and that's why I wanted to get on top of the cleaning. And the roof today has had a, check out the pictures. Look at my beautiful roof. It is shining, it is algae, leaf free, and yeah, very, very happy. Good result. A lot of work to get up there and get around with a ladder and brushing, scrubbing. But anyway, the item of the day for me, we picked up this a while back, and this is the awning rail brush. Can you see that? We actually got that at a show. Premium quality brush, specifically designed to make easy work of cleaning or applying lubricant to the awning rail channel. It's a little, it's almost like a little bottle brush. Would you call it a little bottle brush? But it's a little bit where you can bend it in different positions. So I've been actually getting under the roof hatches up on the top, just giving it a little, and you can go like that under the hatches. You can even sort of bend it up and do the inside edge of the hatch around the edge of it. That has been an absolute godsend today, and I've been in the awning rail, cleaning out all the little around my solar panel, getting all them little angles, and getting some serious algae out with this little baby today. So keep an eye out for one of them. It was minimal cost at one of the shows. I literally, we sort of saw it and thought, that is going to be a handy little bit of kit. There is a little bit of a sharp edge right at the tip, so you just got to be a little bit careful not to dig your paintwork, but just be super careful, scrub along, and that is well worth it. So on the inside, I've been right the way around here with all the pledge polish, cleaning all that up. We didn't actually take out the roof hatches today, but they're fairly good still, but it was a little while ago we actually removed them to give them a serious birthday. But profile, we just got to line up, so we're just going to get that in position like that. I'm just going to use my pliers just to access the first pin. There goes the first pin. There she goes. Just ease it along. There we go, he's snapped in. That's perfect. Just to do the other side now. There she goes. Just ease her along. Snap in position. Lovely. There we go, on the hinge. Little tiny pins are just going to go through. With a little bit of jiggery around and locate into the position. Holding the other one between my teeth. And same again there. There she goes. In she goes. Snaps in. And there it is. All back in. And that looks absolutely amazing. Look at that sky out through there. That's lovely. Right, my little tip that I'm going to show you guys is, I don't know if anybody has come across this, but this is a little lock device. So if you want to lock your, overnight, if you want to lock your, if you want to have your roof hatch up, and if it's a bit windy, lock it in position. There's a little lever just there, both sides, just lock them down like that in position, and that won't go anywhere. It's not going to go anywhere in the wind. So there's a little locking device, and if you just push them up, there's little tiny catch, so they stay up there out of the way, and then you can off you go again as per normal. Lock her down. Like I say, I was nearly going to do it today, but then I kind of like just opened them up, and where I'd been cleaning up around the top with that little brush, they're really nice and clean anyway, so it wasn't really worth removing them. So happy with them. The other little thing I was going to show you guys, so anybody with a Bursner motorhome or a motorhome, so our little vent, air vent up there, see that one up there? So funny enough, in the week I clean this one out. I will tag in a picture of what it was like. It was absolutely horrible. Okay, so anybody with one of these style in their van, I think the roller team maybe, and there's quite a few motorhomes with a vent like this, and if you are wondering how to get this one out, it's just a flat screwdriver on the edge in there, and just prise it down, and it will come down. It's quite a long vent. It's like just pushed up in, and it just stays up there, just pushed in, and very tight fit, but it will come out fairly easily. Just a screwdriver under there, and just ease it down either side, and then pull it right down, and you can clean it out. I cleaned right up around the kind of the dome on it, and yeah, it was horrible. It's a job I've been meaning to do for a long time, but once it's done now, none of them sort of like nasty nifs. There was some old leaves and all cobwebs and some, and it believe it or not, I've sort of got up here and cleaned all this out. Not that it was too bad, because obviously it's quite meshy on there. Oh, another thing I was going to say actually, guys, so we keep this little bin up there, okay, with our Isabella wash bags, and so obviously we've got all our kit in the bathroom, but when we actually want to go and use a shower, we have got like duplicate shower gels and all the rest of it in there, toothbrushes, so it's all literally in this little basket, and we actually stow it up in this cupboard like that. and it just sits up there. So if we need to go for a shower and want all your stuff, it's just literally out with the bin and it's all good to go. So from the bedroom right up to the hatch at the back, look at that, it looks amazing. And I just love to lie in bed and see blue sky out of that hatch. It is perfect. Right, we're back down the front. I'm just going to just look at that lovely sunshine coming in today, guys. It's super sunny out there. Anyway, in the week, because last week I'd done my little trip to Sainsbury's and got some of that lovely Mr. Sheen polish. So the whole of my dash in the week has had the treatment. It is looking, I just like love it. I just love it. The Cockpit is looking squeaky, and it just makes you feel so much better when you're driving it. Lovely and clean. All the gizmos up there. We got the S. So this is going to be the first. I'm hoping actually, I'll see how we get on. I'm going to see how things go this week. I'm going to see if I may be able to get that rear positioned camera coupled up to that, because I've adjusted that one now, obviously for the forward facing, so it's on record all the time. So yeah, it'd be nice to actually get that rear camera. Just haven't got around to it yet, so too busy making videos for you guys, but I'm sure it's going to happen, maybe on the trip again if I get time. They say like, no, you haven't got time, Joff. So apart from that, guys, we are super stoked. So just a basically a little update on what I've been up to, and maybe giving you inspiration to clean off your roof and stuff. It's lovely to have a clean roof, so when I get some drone shots and things like that, we got a nice clean roof. But okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. So yeah, we've got a week to run, and it's exciting times, so I'll see what happens this week, and we'll probably throw out another video this week. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you've got any questions that need answering, that I can answer, make it quite simple, because you know my mind is getting older now. But okay, thanks for watching the video, guys, and we will catch up with you in the week, I expect, if not tomorrow. You know what I'm like.